Looking for an adults-only paradise where luxury meets romance? Let me take you through what makes Grand Miramar all-luxury suites and residences one of Puerto Vallarta's most talked-about destinations. This 5-star all-inclusive resort sits right on the stunning Banderas Bay, and trust me, it's designed to make couples forget the outside world even exists. When it comes to accommodations, Grand Miramar doesn't mess around. Every single room here is actually a suite, which means you're getting serious space no matter which category you choose. Let's start with the Ocean View Suite, which gives you 80 square meters of pure comfort. That's about 860 square feet for those keeping track. You'll find a king-sized bed that feels like sleeping on a cloud, a separate living area where you can actually spread out, and a private terrace that becomes your favorite spot by day 2. The minibar gets restocked daily with premium drinks and snacks. There's an espresso machine for your morning coffee fix, and a 55-inch television for those rare moments you're not staring at the ocean. What really sets these suites apart is the attention to detail. We're talking molten brown toiletries that make your bathroom smell like a luxury spa, plush robes that you'll want to steal, and butler service available 24/7. Some of these Ocean View suites even come with private plunge pools, and many feature a terrace barbecue grill option, so you can play chef with an ocean backdrop. Prices run from $500 to $900 per night depending on the season, which honestly isn't bad when you consider everything that's included. Now, if you want to upgrade your experience, the Oceanfront suite takes things up several notches. At 95 square meters, you're getting over 1,000 square feet of luxury with separate living and dining areas. The terrace here is genuinely expansive, perfect for those long mornings with coffee and those romantic evenings with wine. Every Oceanfront suite includes a semi-private plunge pool with direct ocean views, an outdoor shower that makes you feel like you're bathing in paradise, and even a wine cooler for keeping your favorite bottles at the perfect temperature. The rooftop terrace access is a game changer, giving you even more space to enjoy those incredible Mexican sunsets. These suites run between $650 and $1,000 nightly. For those who want the absolute best, the Grand Oceanfront Suite delivers with 130 square meters of pure indulgence. This is 1,400 square feet of carefully designed space with a full living room, 2 separate terraces, and panoramic views of Banderas Bay that will have you reaching for your camera constantly. The plunge pool here is massive at 10 meters, making it more like a private swimming pool than a simple plunge pool. You get a jetted tub for those bubble bath moments, a Bose sound system throughout the suite, private check-in to skip the lobby scene, and even the option for a personal chef to prepare dinner right in your suite. The rooftop hot tub is your private sanctuary for stargazing. Expect to pay between $900 and $1,200 per night, and honestly, it's worth every penny for special occasions. At the very top of the luxury ladder, there are just 2 penthouse suites, and they're absolutely spectacular. These multi-level masterpieces span over 200 square meters, that's more than 2,100 square feet of living space. You'll have a king bedroom, a sofa bed if needed, and your own private rooftop complete with a 360-degree view of the bay and ocean. The upgrades here include Bang & Olufsen audio systems, a private elevator so you never wait, an outdoor kitchen for serious entertaining, and a private infinity plunge pool that feels like it drops right into the ocean. You also get in-suite spa treatments and a dedicated butler team. These penthouses start around $1,500 and go up from there with very limited availability, so booking well in advance is essential. The dining scene at Grand Miramar deserves its own spotlight because with 5 restaurants and 3 bars, all included in your stay, you're genuinely spoiled for choice. El Miramar serves as the main restaurant, offering upscale Mexican and international cuisine that showcases the best of both worlds. Their ceviche is incredibly fresh, the lobster thermidor is decadent without being over the top, and the wagyu tacos are a perfect fusion of luxury and street food vibes. They also take dietary restrictions seriously with solid vegan options. Breakfast runs from 7 to 11 in the morning, lunch from noon to 4, and dinner from 6 to 10 at night. The dress code is elegant casual, meaning you should look nice but don't need a tuxedo. They host wine tastings every Friday that are absolutely worth attending. Reservations for dinner are required, which you can easily make through the hotel app or just ask your butler. The restaurant seats about 120 guests, so it never feels cramped. Vita brings Mediterranean coastal fusion to the table with a focus on healthy, fresh ingredients. The octopus carpaccio is tender and flavorful. The grilled sea bass comes perfectly cooked every time, and their quinoa salads prove healthy food doesn't have to be boring. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a casual chic dress code, seating around 80 people. Their themed tapas nights are incredibly popular, offering small plates that let you try a bit of everything. For Asian cuisine lovers, Asiana delivers Pan-Asian fusion that covers everything from sushi to teppanyaki. The sushi rolls are made fresh to order. The teppanyaki steak dinner is both delicious and entertaining, and the dim sum selection is surprisingly authentic. This restaurant only opens for dinner from 6 to 10 and is closed on Mondays, so plan accordingly. Smart casual dress is expected, and with seating for 60, reservations are definitely required. They offer sushi making classes that are both fun and educational, perfect for couples who want to learn something new together. If you prefer a more laid-back vibe, the Beach Club Grill is your spot. Right on the sand, you can show up in your beachwear and grab burgers, fresh seafood, or lighter salads. They're open from 11 in the morning until 8 at night for lunch and dinner, seating about 100 guests with a walk-in policy. The sunset barbecues here are legendary, with the smell of grilled seafood mixing with the ocean breeze. For drinks with a view, the Sky Bar and Lounge sits on the rooftop offering craft cocktails and small plates. Open from 4 in the afternoon until midnight, this upscale venue seats about 50 people and doesn't require reservations, though showing up early for sunset is smart. They have a live DJ Wednesday through Saturday, creating a sophisticated party atmosphere without being too loud or clubby. Finally, the pool bar gives you that classic swim-up experience with tropical drinks and snacks served from 10 in the morning until 6 at night. You can literally swim up in your swimwear, order a margarita, and float away. All of these venues are included in your all-inclusive package, though reservations through the app or your butler are highly recommended for the sit-down restaurants. The pool and beach situation at Grand Miramar is genuinely impressive, especially considering this is an adults-only resort focused on relaxation rather than wild pool parties. There are 4 pools total, starting with the main infinity pool that's absolutely massive at 1,200 square meters. This adults-only pool ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep, perfect for wading and swimming without being too deep. The infinity edge creates that stunning visual effect where the pool appears to merge with the ocean beyond. There's a swim-up bar built right in, so you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink. The pool operates from 7 in the morning until 10 at night year-round, with complimentary towels and full waiter service throughout the day. The rooftop infinity pool offers a different vibe with panoramic views from its elevated position. At 300 square meters, it's smaller and more intimate, perfect for quieter afternoons when you want to escape the main pool scene. The 2 quiet plunge pools are attached to specific suites, giving those guests their own private water experience. All pools maintain perfect temperatures and cleanliness, with staff constantly monitoring water quality and clearing any debris. The beach access is what really sets this property apart. You get 300 meters of pristine white sand beach frontage that's meticulously maintained. Beach butlers patrol the sand, ready to bring drinks, snacks, or fresh towels whenever you need them. Cabanas are available for shade and privacy, each set up with comfortable loungers and side tables. The complimentary water activities include kayaks for exploring the bay, paddleboards for a core workout with a view, and snorkeling gear for checking out the underwater life just offshore. If you want more excitement, jet skis are available for an extra charge. The water here is typically calm and clear, perfect for swimming and water sports. Beach waiter service means you can spend the entire day on the sand without ever walking back to the hotel for food or drinks. The beach scene strikes a perfect balance between active and relaxing. Some guests are out kayaking or paddleboarding, others are snorkeling near the rocks, while many are simply lounging under umbrellas with a good book and a cold drink. The sand is genuinely soft and clean, raked every morning before guests arrive. The gradual entry into the water makes it easy to wade in, and the bay's protection from open ocean swells keeps things calm most days. Activities at Grand Miramar go well beyond just pools and beaches, giving you plenty of options whether you're the active type or prefer more relaxing pursuits. The fitness center is seriously well equipped with Technogym cardio machines and weights, free weights for traditional lifting, Peloton bikes for those who are addicted to their cycling classes, and a functional training area for more dynamic workouts. The space is open from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, giving early risers and night owls equal opportunity. If you want more guidance, personal trainers are available for an additional charge to create custom workout plans or just push you harder than you'd push yourself. The daily class schedule includes yoga sessions that range from gentle morning flows to more challenging vinyasa practices, Pilates classes for core strength and flexibility, and aqua fitness in the pool for low-impact cardio. These classes are all included and taught by certified instructors who can modify moves for different fitness levels. Beyond structured fitness, the resort organizes various activities throughout the week. There are beach volleyball games for those who want some friendly competition, morning beach walks for a gentler start to the day, and sunset stretching sessions that combine light movement with incredible views. The concierge can arrange off-property adventures like ziplining through the jungle, horseback riding on mountain trails, or deep-sea fishing expeditions. Closer to the resort, you can join organized snorkeling trips to better spots along the coast, take surfing lessons at nearby beaches, or go on whale watching tour during the December through March season when humpback whales migrate through Banderas Bay. These seasonal whale watching trips cost around $120 per person and are absolutely worth it if you're visiting during the right months. For those who prefer cultural activities, the hotel can arrange visits to local art galleries, cooking classes featuring traditional Mexican cuisine, or tequila tasting tour at nearby distilleries. The activity level is completely up to you. Some guests pack their days with fitness classes, water sports, and excursions, while others are perfectly happy alternating between their plunge pool, the beach, and the spa. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.